Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kinu kilat jeng arab baay siya kibalang. Kilong kibaay jeng mentoy na marba kibalang, kipentray kamhok ikilat jeng arab bayo na kasorkar, na kabanta ka jeng pa kipat ba. Ya kanila ong do Myntri Rangbah ka jela u Conrad ke sangma. Ha ka jeng Plie ya ka St. Vincent de Paul Healthcare Center, kabadan ha Bishop House Lombi Sentu Mihmyntdu Wjhd Hills District henen kesngi. Hashwa ka jeng Plie pat ba Most Reverend Victor Lengdo Archbishop Shillong, ula kerkubat penkentang ya ka St. Vincent de Paul Health Center. U Conrad sangma ula ong, Rangbah ka jeng don kaneka center, kanlong shisha ka jeng kerku ka bakraw, ya kinong siyang sunong katahan ki badan kam ka jeng arab naka. Ula kularu ban ay ka jeng arab siya kaneka center, kenang bakan nang la ban penjanay ki kambabha, na kabanta upat ba. Nalor u Conrad ke sangma, layadan lang ru Myntri ka tanat kampo ying ka jela uba lakmen remboy. U MLA ka Jowai uba Wjhd Miki Shilla, u MLA ka Umroy Constituency uba George Lengdo, u MLA ka Mausanram uba HM Shangpliang, ki MDC ka GHADC, UDC ka Wjhd Hills District uba Garad LSN Dike, IAS, USP ka Wjhd Ubikram di Marang, bat kiway-kiway. Hakajuk kapor u Conrad sangma ulap lipat ba ya kasurak bandet siya Thailand office. Kabaw la ay jeng arab hakapor ba udang long MP.
For the last 2 years, because of this coronavirus, deep fear in society. Now, of course, we have to revive again. Post-COVID time, we have to take care that we will all be healthy. Therefore, as I thank God, I wish, especially our dear Chief Minister, Barat Sangma, and all our ministers here, MLA, and all of you who have come today. May God continue to bless you, protect you, to be healthy, and wish you all the best in your life. And secondly, I wish also the Vincent de Paul Society, they have tried their best to help the poor and needy. Wherever the poor and needy, they are there to support. May God continue to bless them and help them to continue this good work. All we need is to help each other.
This is where our Archbishop and all the other Reverend Fathers and Sisters have been there guiding us, and we always look up to you for your prayers and blessings. And we always pray to Almighty that He will guide us in difficult times. Last 2 years have been very difficult from the COVID scenario, but apart from that, we have faced many challenges. But it is only through the guidance of the Almighty and His direction, and whenever we have prayed, our prayers have been answered. We have faced difficult challenges, but together with the society and together with our spiritual leaders like our Archbishop and our Reverend Fathers and Sisters out here.